there, it's Ashley from WTI, and if your pantry is filled with crumpled up snack bags, you will really enjoy these storage containers from Generic. It comes in a 12 pack with assorted sizes. I really like the close of this lid, so it easily just pops open like that. You can do it just with one hand and it pulls off. It has a rubber gasket right here on the inside to lock in freshness of your ingredients inside. I use this everything from pasta to nuts to cereals, and it simply snaps closed. Super easy. It's BPA free, and it has my pantry so nice and organized right now. I love this because it is also clear and I can see everything that's inside. I like the assortment of sizes, so if I don't want to use a big container, I can use something small. But one of the really nice features about these storage containers, the lids fit every single size. So I don't know about you, but oftentimes I've bought Tupperware or different things like that, and then you're trying to find the top to this particular Tupperware. You're not gonna have that problem with these storage containers. They are super durable, really well made. I highly recommend them. My pantry is nice and organized now, and no more crumpled up and stale snack bags, but that's just my point of view.